This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the fix won't fail mid-process. You verify OS updates and free at least 30 GB. This prevents partition and driver errors. Once done, create a complete backup to an external drive or cloud so you can restore if something breaks. You also download the current Bootcamp drivers and installer. Make sure to match your OS build. These first steps reduce variables and give you a clean baseline to work from. You now create the Windows partition and prepare the installer image. This is where most issues arise. Shrink and format the target partition using disk utility or drive management, selecting NTFS if Windows requires it. Incorrect formatting causes installer errors. Run Bootcamp Assistant or the installer as an administrator and point to the exact ISO and target disk. If the installer errors, run chkdsk/. You finish by installing Bootcamp drivers right after the first Windows boot so hardware and trackpad drivers load correctly. Reboot twice to let services register. If the system won't boot, run Windows Startup Repair or use command line bcd boot to rebuild the boot manager. This fixes missing or corrupted boot files. Once stable, restore any user data from your backup. Troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, boot from your recovery USB and run full disk diagnostics. Make sure to test one change at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.